So I'm at an old school hack job that I did. So this unit has low voltage. It's about 20 years ago. The thermostat wire, the gauge is too small, so it's getting low voltage. So it's burning up the contactor. So what I ended up doing, because I only have 17 volts. What did I do here? I have to remember. Oh yeah, I put the on a coil for cooling. It's enough power to pull in this relay. So coil for cooling pulls in this relay, and then I put this transformer in here. So this transformer is dedicated to this contactor. So the when the relay pulls in from a call from the thermostat, the Y, pulls in the relay, and then the contacts switch over, and then it sends the 24 volts from the transformer to the contactor. So I got full power, and it's been this way for 20 years. I haven't been here in a long time, probably, I don't know, 10 years. So that was an old school low voltage hack. I put a bigger transformer in there too, but that is not me. I didn't do that. I can remember that. That is not me. Oh, sorry. Common, run, start. It's actually, I forgot, it's actually 3-phase. Whoops. Yeah, that was not me. That was not me. Alrighty, but that was my hack 20 years ago. Give me a break. Give me a break.